Welcome to another video by the Market Maker SA. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are trading strong. I hope you guys are having a very good trading week. And yeah, welcome to another video that we are about to do. Before we continue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon to be notified in case we drop another video. So today we'll be doing our weekly trade review. Obviously, trade review day is every Wednesday. If you know, if you're a member of this channel, and if you're new, wow, we do a trading review every week, every Wednesday, every week. And today we'll be discussing a trade that we took on the US30. This week we only traded twice. We traded US30 and we traded GBP, Great British Pound versus the Canadian dollar. So let's dive into it. So in terms of this US30 trade, let me show you where I put my our entry. So as you can see, we had our entry right there. Obviously, what happened here, we took that trade right there. We took it off the H4. And instantly I liked what I see. I liked what happened, obviously, and we're gonna break down why we came to the conclusion of taking that trade right there. So as you can see what happened here, we're at this area right now. Obviously I came into the market and identified this liquidity sweep right here. Obviously, if you watch the previous video that we made, you see we were talking about our ITC precision model that we use, of course, to attack the market. And for this trade, I used the exact same thing. Obviously, I came into the market, identified my liquidity sweep, identified that there were a lot of people there that were expecting buys. They all got taken out there. Obviously, then the market came to an area of rest. Market gave us this anchor formation right here. And then obviously from this area on, after that anchor formation, excuse me for that. Okay, after this anchor formation, market gave us this first leg, came back, market gave us this second leg. So instantly I knew, okay, in change of we might expect a change of character here, and obviously it was our confidence was further added on with the break of structure and obviously the change of character at the same time. Then obviously after that we started looking. Obviously now we had to look for a mitigation block, and obviously our mitigation block was from the break of structure to our previous supply on demand zone. So that was interesting. Obviously from that area and on, we were looking for areas of interest. We were looking for areas of interest, and the only points of interest that I could identify, because number one, I couldn't see any down candle order block, because the only down candle order block I could identify was this one. But you can see it's already been filled out, because market then came back to it and then rised away for the second leg. Market used that area to give its second leg a bit more confluence. So obviously that down candle order block was then filled. So the only point of interest I could identify here was this fair value gap right here. You can see what happened here. It was beautiful. The market had to come back to cover this imbalance, and the balance wasn't even that big. It was just right. So instantly, of course, coupled with this breaker block right here on the side, I knew, okay, this is a great phenomenal trade, because in terms of my checklist, I have liquidity sweep, I have my mitigation block, I have my market structure shift, and I have my point of interest. So that was beautiful. And then obviously in terms of my equal highs and equal lows, obviously from that area we targeted that to be our equal high, our external liquidity, and our other external liquidity was right here. Areas where I identify equal highs and equal lows. So external liquidity right there, external liquidity right here, and then obviously from there we start focusing on the internal liquidity of the indice. And obviously in this instant, market came into it. Didn't really spend a lot of time in it. Spent like one H4 candle in red, then market left away splendidly. We had our take profit. As you can see, our take profit was somewhere right there on top. Great stuff. And market came to it and moved. Market came to it, took it out, and we were down. Our take profit was somewhere up there on those on those equal high right there, that being another external liquidity high right there that was taken out, and we were out. Great trade, great trade. I was very satisfied with the profits that we made off this trade. Then after we made this trade, it was a simple exit. We exited on Tuesday, I think. Great trade. I didn't mind it at all. So obviously, in terms of how can we further continue the market in this era? Well, really necessarily, because in terms of where markets, this is a bit of a retracement move, number one. So in terms of where we might expect market to give us our reversal is somewhere here on top, on that demand zone right there, because I see that up candle order block right there. So obviously it means that market still has to move. I've already identified an external liquidity high right there on top, and obviously right here on the bottom I've already identified what? I've already identified my fair value gap right there. I've already identified my first leg. Already my first leg has been created inside of it, and now expecting second leg. If it's still obviously still on the H1, there's still no down candle order block. So the only point of interest that we have is that fair value gap right there that's already been coupled with a very nice breakup block right there. So confluences on confluences are being created, and this could be a great trade to trade. Definitely could be a great trade to take today. I would definitely look into it. Obviously targeting those equal highs right there on top, external liquidity high, and obviously we might even target the demand zone right there on top. So very, very interesting stuff. In terms of buy side, sell side liquidity, there's not really a lot that has happened regarding this trade. So there's not really a lot. So it'll be interesting. It will definitely be an interesting trade. And then the other trade that we took was GBP Now on the CAD, I liked what I saw. Market came to us, showed us a very, very nice information right there on top, and I was like, okay, this is a very good trade. Let me just get a clean chart so we can look at it from a clean perspective. Yes, I see we identify this peak formation high right here. Peak formation high, first leg, second leg. I was very, very happy. And obviously in terms of how we took this trade, well, it was it wasn't simple. I mean, we identified our change of character right there, identified our mitigation block, identified our break of structure, and then in terms of taking the trade, we took it right about there. As you can see, let me just blow it up. We took it right about there. We took it there first, and we had our buy limits right there on top. But obviously, so we took it right there. And obviously what market did, went up a bit. I wasn't expecting market to come into that down candle order block because it was too weak, and my confidence was based upon the H2 as well. So what happened that we took the trade right there as a fair value gap, and obviously market did its thing. Dropping very, very nicely, and market was gone. We were out by there. We took out the trade right there, and it was a great trade. Obviously it hit our targets. You know, one thing that's very, very important, it hit our targets. In terms of the checklist, well, we identified obviously our anchor. In terms of our liquidity sweep, we didn't really see a lot of liquidity sweeps. I mean, the only liquidity sweeps that happened right there was that that one wasn't even a liquidity sweep. It was a sell side liquidity. But in terms of this trade, we had accumulation, manipulation, and it distributed away. And obviously, market then further came back, covering back the money that it lost, obviously coming back for the second leg. So that's a trade that we'll definitely look into. As you see, market is already coming back, showing us great confidence right there after coming to our point of interest that was also coupled with our breakup block as well. I like where market is right now. I definitely like where market is. Might definitely take this trade because it's in a point of interest again, and it's giving our confidence, even it's adding on to our confidence with this first leg, second leg retest formation. So very, very nice stuff coupled with manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So great stuff. Definitely something that we'll look into. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. And don't forget to check out our previous video that we did on our ITC precision model. Don't forget to check that out. Thank you.